We're Verona Tractor in Verona, Mississippi. Just an idea of the vast amount of parts. This gentleman was in business 35 years. We have pallets of parts, machine shop equipment, again pallets of parts, shop equipment, motors, all kinds of Ford, New Holland tractor parts, mostly dismantled, welders. On this end, again, motors, transmissions. I'll slowly give you a shot of it. Some more shop equipment. Bolt bends. This is the area where he had his parts. There's 40 of those type shelving there full of random parts. All of this will be sold at online auction with TaylorAuction.com. Thank you.